My madam making liquid soap. She said she wants to teach mommy how to make liquid soap. She's actually teaching mommy. Yeah, teach, do. You are teaching mommy how to make liquid soap, have you? So what did you add in? What did you add? What have you added? You don't know what you have added. And you added oil. And what? What did you add again?
Peppermint.
And peppermint. Can you imagine? You added peppermint in your own liquid soap. That's good though. Well, they are continue producing. She added liquid peppermint and then oil in her own liquid soap. Well done, Jerry. My madam is making liquid soap. Oh. She says she wants to teach mommy how to make liquid soap. You are teaching mommy, Abby? So what did you add?
Pepper.
What?
Peppermint.
Peppermint. And what else did you add? And what? Talk now. You are teaching mommy. What did you add? Mommy want to learn from you. What did you add? And oil. You added oil and peppermint in your own liquid soap. That's good. This liquid soap will form very well. You continue making it, Jerry. Well done. Yeah, madam.
I'm adding my color.
You're adding add your color. Let's see. Wow, but madam has added her color. Oh yeah. Turn. Stir. Kai, catching them young. Madam is teaching us how to make soap. Kai, this soap will be very, very foamy. Can you imagine? My madam is teaching me how to make soap. So you have added your color now. Let me see. This your soap must be very, very thick. Kai, this soap is very thick. So we'll wait for it to settle now. We'll now see the end product of our soap. Well done, my sweetheart. Thank you. Okay, madam. So we are done now, Abby. So we'll come back. We'll leave it to settle. See madam's soap. Madam, you have tried. You've done a good job. So we are going to leave it now to settle. When the soap settles, I'll come and show you the soap that madam produces. She said she will tell her teacher that she produced soap. So we are going to actually send this video to her teacher. She has produced liquid soap. They watch you. Whatever thing you're doing, those children, they are watching you. So always leave a good example for them. Thank you. Oh, beautiful. See Deborah's soap. And Deborah, show us your soap. Wow. See how beautiful Deborah's soap is. Chai. See beautiful soap that Deborah produced. So let's show you people her soap before we go and make her hair. You're going to make your hair, right? Yes. So see how beautiful her soap is. Please patronize Deborah. Deborah has turned to an entrepreneur. If you want to buy, send us a DM. Kia. Deborah, don't put your hand inside your soap. Wow, beautiful soap produced by Deborah. Did you see how beautiful the soap is? Child entrepreneur. Well done, my sweetheart. God bless you.